sofritumurs inkunnestis kualia evolution bela isunnada enkantoret pampareta us ida ita sudrada wajai There's a tongue for groaning. For the Spirit helps our infirmities. For we do not know what to pray, but the Holy Ghost begins to grow like Kalifrakadista Savila Shapapa Haliendasa Kalipa Nyan Shaka Kalika Maria Kusanika Break the village For hele virus For hele Zellers For hele Zellers For hele Zellers $1,000,000. When the lion wakes up on the inside of your innermost belly, there is a transmission of electricity, and that electricity transmits power and energy. There's a roar of the lion of the tribe of Judah, destabilizing the frequencies of the atmosphere. The hour has come for the sons of God to roar themselves through the frequencies of the atmospheres and ascend into your throne. War against the devils hindering your ascension in the atmosphere. War against the forces in the galaxies. War against the forces in the second heavens. The wings of the dragons must fall. Elisa, Rekerada, Verita, Peradia. Time to wake up the giant inside. Time to wake up the roar on the inside. Time to wake up the lion of the tribe of Judah to roar with the many sounds of trumpets. The Spirit helpeth our infirmities, for we do not know what to pray, but we groan. Yeshua, the lion of the tribe of Judah, arise! Take the nations! Take the nations! Let the hosts of heaven arise! Take over nations! Take over nations! Roar! The era of the Holy Ghost has come! The era of fire has come! The era of encounters has come. The era of ascension has come. The era of the mountains of God has come. Arise! Let the trumpets be heard. Let your trumpet be heard. Let your tongue of power be heard. Proclaim the kingship of Yeshua. Proclaim the lordship of Yeshua. All hail King Jesus.
When we were warring together, I just felt it was just growing out of me. It was just coming out, it was just flowing, and it was an awesome experience that I can't just describe into words.
I'm not able to understand like everything, like just by the pronunciation and the phrasing, and English is not my mother tongue, but I feel like how my spirit receives it. And so I feel how it's stored in me, and how it's gonna be unlocked at the time where I need it and where I will be able and have the comprehension to actually understand.
The power and the presence of God in this place is so amazing. It is amazing to know the man of God. It is amazing to learn from him so many deep things, and it has changed my life. It has brought transformation in my life, and I have learned how to roar in the spirit, to fight against the enemy, to fight against everything that is coming against us and against our destiny.
Upcoming events with the bondservant of Christ, John. USA, get ready for the first conference of 2026 in January with the bondservant of Christ. Dates soon to be announced. Stay tuned. For more information, go to hub.drealms.org.
Global Roar for all nations at Grand Arena, Grand West.
To secure your spot, visit hub.drealms.org or scan the QR code on the screen. Date, Saturday, 6th of December, 2025. At 10 a.m. till 6 p.m. Central African Time.
Venue, Grand Arena, Grand West. Address, 1 Jakes Gerwell Drive, Goodwood, Cape Town, 7460. On Sunday, the 7th of December, right after the second service, we'll be having our water baptism with the bondservant of Christ, John. Scan the QR code and register now.